Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The subject expert committee has reviewed the data on safety and immunogenicity of the vaccine and recommended for grant of permission for restricted use in emergency situation in public interest as an abundant precaution in clinical trial mode to have more options for vaccinations, especially in case of infection by mutant strain. The clinical trial ongoing within the country by the firm will continue. Interim data suggest that the vaccine is safe and immunogenic with 3 doses when administered intradermally. Messrs. Serum and Messrs. Bharat Biotech vaccines have to be administered in 2 doses. All the 3 vaccines have to be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. After adequate examination, the CDSCO has decided to accept the recommendations of the expert committee, and accordingly, vaccines of Messrs. Serum and Bharat Biotech are being approved for restricted use in emergency situation, and permission is being granted to Messrs. Cadila Healthcare for conduct of phase 3 clinical trial in India.
मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा ड्राय रन बरो जालो, वाशीन सगळ्या मेरेन पावयतले.
ड्राय रन ज्या पद्दतीन तेंच्यांनी डबी वॅक्सीन हे दिवपाचो सगळो जो प्रयोग वेगळ्या 3 गव्हर्मेंट हेल्थ सेंटर्स आनी 1 प्रायवेट हाज्या कडेन जालो, आनी ताका लागून तेजी पुराय कोल्ड चेन सिस्टम कशा पद्दतीन आसची आनी कशा पद्दतीन इन फ्युचर आमकां जर रोखडेंच वॅक्सिनेशन दिवपाचें जालें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गोंय राज्य हें ल्हान आसल्या कारणान हो सक्सेसफूल प्रयोग गोंय राज्यान आमी खूब बेगीन कंप्लीट करपाक शकतले. 100% वॅक्सिनेशन सगळ्या लोकां पर्यंत पावोवपाक गोंय राज्य हें यशस्वी जातलें.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.